Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add table in Google Doc. Let's begin. First open Google Doc. Now you can see here insert option. Click on insert. You can see on second number table. Keep your cursor on table. Now select the rows and column according to your preferences. And you can also change the template of the table. Simple decision log, review tracker, content launch tracker, product roadmap, project assets, and many more. So select, let's suppose I will take product roadmap. You can see on my screen, a table is added. These are the procedure to add table, and you can change it from this, and you can add normal table as well, like this. From status, go on insert, table, select the row as and columns, like this. It is so easy. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.